Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix audio delay start problem in Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click and expand class. Click and expand value detail in description. Open numeric key like 0000. Find your audio device details, my case high definition audio device. Click and expand numeric key. Click power settings. Open conservation idle time. Delete keys. Type FF, 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 click OK. Open idle power state. Press delete key to delete all values. Type 00, 00, 00, 00, click OK. Open performance idle time. Delete keys. Type FF, 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 click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.